Hi, my name is Devra Jacobs. I'm the co-author of the book, A Happy Move, and I'm here to show you some packing tips. Here's my tip on boxes. Make sure when you're going to be making a move, if you're going to make a short local move, it really isn't as important, but if you're going to make a move of any distance, you want to make sure and have similar size boxes. I like buying boxes. They're clean, and they're all similar in size. So this is a small. You want to be sure and tape the bottom of the box, because on the top of the box you can actually write what room and what the contents are. So when you turn your box over and you go to tape, a big mistake many people make is only taping one direction. This may seem like it's secure. I will guarantee you it's not. If you have anything heavy in it, like books or any other heavy items, this bottom is going to push right out. I recommend going the full length and then doing two sideways. You can always get more tape, but sometimes you can't replace those breakable items.